Is your Honda CR-V 2016 to 2020 key fob giving you trouble? Common issues include an open case error or a non-responsive remote. These problems often stem from a dead or corroded CR2032 battery. First, confirm the battery is the issue. Signs include decreased range or intermittent function. The CR2032 battery powers the remote locking, unlocking, panic alarm, and smart key entry. Environmental factors, especially humidity, can accelerate corrosion. Today, many consumers opt for lithium-ion CR2032 batteries for improved lifespan. To confirm it is not a sync issue, make sure no warning lights are showing on your dashboard and the car battery is charged. Start by safely removing the key fob from your key ring. Use a non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool or taped screwdriver, to gently open the fob case. Avoid metal tools to prevent circuit damage. Note the battery's polarity before removing the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity. Firmly reseal the case to ensure it's secure. Test the fob's functions immediately, including lock, unlock, and panic button. If it still doesn't work, ensure the battery is correctly seated and contacts are clean. Apply dielectric grease to guard against moisture. If issues persist after battery replacement, a dealer visit may be required for ECU reprogramming. If done correctly, you can save up to $80.